Don't know how to start trading confidently? I will help you right now. Check out this review from a trader. He quickly started making progress when he implemented a smart AI assistant called MaxBot. This robot shares highly accurate signals and generates detailed reports. Grab it for free from the link in the description right now. After a month you will only be able to pick it up for a fee. Hurry up. Subscribe and click on the bell to not miss useful information and fresh offers. I will be very happy with your likes and comments. Now I want to open a trade on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Time frame 5 minutes. I enter all trades in clear accordance with the signals from MaxBot. An active sold is a recommendation from artificial intelligence for this transaction. 7 indicators in the report from the bot are burning red. Data update periodicity in the robot is 1 minute. The bulls were more active in terms of volumes during the last hour, but the overall situation looked more like consolidation. I think that after the next rise in price we are waiting for a rebound from the resistance zone, which will serve as a powerful impulse to increase the influence of sellers. I think that the robot clearly understood and analyzed the situation and gave the most correct recommendation. I've sped up the price movement for easy viewing, folks. Together with the free bot on the link in the description you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. So, for example, if you deposit $50 you'll get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $500 then on deposit you will have $1,000. Promo code works on the first deposit. And you will also have access to an exclusive chat with predictions. Maximum favorable offer. You're not failing, you're leveling up. Before we dive into mindset, discipline, and resilience, let's get one unshakable rule out of the way. Money management isn't optional, it's survival. The number one reason most traders blow their accounts isn't the market. It's emotion. It's overexposure. It's betting big when you should have stayed small. So here's your first principle. Only risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. No exceptions. Know this one feels right moments. Discipline over dopamine, every time. Look at the numbers. With $100, trade $1. A win gives you 80 cents. With $1,000, trade $10 and pocket $8. With $10,000, trade $100 and your profit per trade? $80. Same strategy, same process. But the more capital you work with, the more power you hold, without taking bigger risks. That's why I always say, fund your account as fully as you can afford, because growth scales with discipline, not desperation. Now, let's talk about the part nobody wants to talk about. What if it's not working? What if you're losing? What if your setups fail? What if you're putting in the hours and the chart keeps slapping you? Here's what you don't realize. That means you're in the right place. You ever watch Batman Begins? Bruce Wayne falls into the cave as a kid, broken, scared. His father asks, "Why do we fall?" "So we can learn to pick ourselves up." That's not just a quote. That's a trading philosophy. This game will humble you. But every loss is feedback. Every red trade is education. If you're learning, you're not losing, you're evolving. I just closed a trade in the plus side. My bot is working properly, it understood the situation correctly and it brought me profit. MaxBot is a cool, modern tool with which you will really start to earn. Passability of its signals is on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn, the link in the description. I have now decided to make a trade with a different currency pair. Australian, American dollar. New signal from artificial intelligence, active selling. In the detailed report from the robot, 7 indicators out of 12 show high potential sellers in the coming minutes. I re-enter the market in clear accordance with the signal, pressing the red button in pocket option. I trust the bot. I think that the price will jump up. After that it will bump into the resistance area and by the time the trade ends it will be below the entry point. I think that the robot has again competently analyzed the situation and made the most optimal decision. Attention, people. We are holding a contest on our channel again. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck. Think about Michael Jordan, cut from his high school team. Came back with a work ethic that changed the sport. Think about J.K. Rowling, rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter saw the light. Think about Steve Jobs, fired from the company he built. Came back and redefined the world. What separates them? They didn't stop. They didn't throw their laptop across the room because one plan didn't work. They refined. They learned. They rebuilt, smarter, stronger, better. That's your path now. You're not here to get lucky. You're not here for overnight wins. You're here to build skill. You're here to develop control. You're here to grow something real. So when it feels like the trades aren't working, when the drawdown messes with your confidence, good. That means you're playing the real game. That means you're past the beginner stage, and now it's time to sharpen the edge. Here's your new checklist. Stick to 1 to 2% risk. Always. Grow your deposit so your results have weight. Stop chasing setups. Let them come to you. Track every loss like a scientist. Show up on bad days. Trade like a machine, not a gambler. In the meantime, I finalized the trade. MaxBot had done everything I needed it to do. 2 accurate predictions and $2,418 of total profit for 2 trades. Get it for free, the link is below the video. Subscribe and press the bell. More to come.